We're at PRI.
It's even got a sweatshirt on.
That's right. We got to rep out the
We're super sophisticated at PRI.
Yeah, for sure. So
We got snow on the ground, but we're here getting our media passes. We're going to film. We're going to do interviews. We're going to show you guys what PRI 2025 is all about.
With limited time.
With limited time.
double header open.
Oh, look at all those signs. Crazy. There's still a lot of people here. You gonna fist the
It's like
turbo?
3 of my heads put together. Right?
You gonna fist the turbo?
4,200 horsepower. Where are you going with that kind of motor?
Look at this. Jeez Louise. ProCharger always has a really good booth. That's one hell of a Super right there. Holy moly. Yeah, that's not the same. Same, different. Is that an Oldsmobile Calais? There's no way that is. That is! It's a freaking Oldsmobile Calais. Look at that. That's awesome. That's so awesome. I used to have one of these. I paid $20 for it. Oh, sorry. I think it's cool. The dash.
Digital dash.
Oh my gosh, I didn't even notice the cow. Whoever did a good job.
Arguing with a donut on the
Look at this thing, buddy. Jeez Louise. Holy moly.
It was a good time. Yeah, it was a good time. Nice little road trip. Yeah. 100%.
So I'm trying to figure out how to find parts. It's like everything I'm working on is like a unicorn. It's like no one's ever put a dry sump on a crank support setup. They have an arbor that sticks out, but we haven't managed to dry sump. The problem is we're trying to get a little bit more runtime on this truck. So we're going to do a dry sump setup.
Look at the tires on the back of this bad boy. Holy moly. Jeez Louise. Jesus. Is this Tuke's car? This is Tuke's car. Yep. It is crazy. It's his car. This is a C7 Corvette. Kind of freaking crazy, to be honest. Sam said it looks like the Batmobile. It's probably the biggest wide body and wheel I've ever seen on a C7, especially that wing. Buddy, this isn't a C7. No. I think we're both mistaken. It is a C6. Look at the dash. Unless they put a C6 dash and a C7. This
Oh,
don't
you're
make
right.
no.
That's
This
a
doesn't.
C6
This doesn't
interior.
make no sense. It's got a C6 interior, but it does look like a C7 exterior. So did they put a C6 dash and a C7? Because that roof and everything looks like I don't know. Those are C7 mirrors. This doesn't make any sense. This is like a C7 exterior with a C6 interior. This doesn't make any sense. I'm not quite understanding this car, to be truthful with you. Oh, I didn't even notice the rear. Jesus Christ.
Titanium.
Look, oh my God. Yeah, that turbo is definitely bigger than my head. Look at the size. Look, put your head down there to it. Oh my
My
God.
head compared to that.
Your head's actually bigger. I think
if
both
that's a
me and
good
you
or
have
bad
huge
thing.
heads. You're okay.
I was just randoming my luck. Yeah.
What the what?
I'm getting in and take her for a ride.
Yep.
They look alike though.
I have one employee, me and him knows everything.
Yeah. No. While they're telling me about their kind of their third party getting their DOC line, they said they can't touch that. It's a free throw. It's hard to make the money time. It's not making time. But you guys give me a shot. One step. Who is it owned by? Time slot upstairs.
His wife did it. His wife did it.
I can't handle any curves.
Yep, that's exactly
The
right.
competition. It was the 3 Series. BMW went on a weight gaining spree and bulked up. I'm driving the shit out of there.
Dang, that is nice.
I was looking at it. But only one I would get.
He said it was going to be small black.
I went over and fucking drilled them. Finally got to admit 930 pounds of this. That's about what I make
Yeah.
yearly if I work